had Abacus Plumbing out here for a Moen faucet that I had purchased that was way beyond my capability to actually install myself because I had to remove the old Moen faucet. So I called Abacus, got an estimate, had a master plumber come out, which blew my mind. I have a master plumber. And I was shocked how quick the job was done. I was shocked how the quality, the cleanliness, the space, the way it was left, the degree of expertise and the way the plumber articulated what was done, the fact that he related that he lived in the area, I thought was interesting and attractive to me and had rapport that way. But it's excellent work, and I feel like it upgraded my home. So that was my experience with Abacus, and I would recommend Abacus Plumbing for anything from upgrades to being able to work with you. If you had in this case, I had my own fixture that I brought to the table, and I wasn't sure if they would work with that, and they actually did, and so that was very helpful, and it looks like it blends in perfectly with the rest of the home.
Abacus Plumbing, Air Conditioning, and Electrical. You can count on us.